Hi, sugar. Oh, kept forgetting.
No, and I said, Carla, you know I know your mom. Why didn't you tell me? I am friends with your mom. I've known her since you were in kindergarten. And I did, you know. Why didn't you tell me that this was going on? I feel so bad. I am... Anyway, this is what happened to me today.
Yeah, you get it. You so get it.
Chocolate. Hey.
Joshua.
No.
Joshua, can I talk
No.
to you? Look at me. You did not come over here to play with the electronic fans.
It's okay.
No, you came over here to visit with the friends.
But did I ask that? She says it's okay.
I think you should go play with the friends and not play with all the
It's okay.
fixtures.
It's okay.
Okay, once.
I can't
Would you like help, honey?
Wait, no.
Johnny?
There you go.
Yeah.
No.
We need help for getting the games
No.
to play.
Honey, do you want me to...
She'll
Thank you.
figure out some of the
Okay,
things.
that's all.
Let me see if she needs it.
Something
Something I can do.
I
You're good, you're good. Can I help?
Please don't turn it off, Dad.
Something I can help?
Please don't.
won't. I won't.
And she got a batch of
Hey, shoot,
All right,
shoot,
keep on
shoot.
checking, honey. One of these times, maybe you can teach Chandler about how to do some of the Wii stuff, okay? Would that be good? 'Cause he doesn't really know how to do the Wii stuff too much, Tom does. But he likes to watch.
I just like to play with the Lego guys like that. So what are you going to do on the weekend, Shelby? I need to pay for it. Yeah. Yeah. What are you going to do on the weekend?
Play fans.
So what's your favorite thing?
Fans, not Harvey. Can you turn on high?
Joshua, please remember that you came here to play with your friends, not to play with the fans.
There's only
He's
one.
looking for the phone.
I got it.
I can't.
Okay, we're good.
Not high.
What do you want?
Hi.
Anything?
I know what it is.
That's high. Oh,
Sorry.
watch out.
We're exploding things.
You went on the floor too a little bit. Where's your trash?
Wait, wait. What? Wait, I'll teach you how to play.
Turn it off. I'm going to turn it
It
off.
doesn't matter if it's not fizzy.
Okay, we have to come out here because Carmen's working, okay?
Okay.
I have a question. Can I ask you a question?
Joshua.
Yes.
Someone doesn't get it all
That
the way
I
through,
just
okay?
want you to slow down.
Doesn't have to be an expert.
I know.
No. I need cheese stand.
Teacher.
He's a little shy. Maybe can you start it and then you can just watch for a little bit to see how the game goes?
He says he'll leave a
Bad chocolate.
Just for later, Chandler.